guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well and Merry Christmas. It's feeling very festive in our house. Everyone's on holiday, so we're just chilling and enjoying it all, taking it all in. The weather has been really rainy and gloomy, but it's not stopping us from having a wonderful time. So today we're doing our family Christmas cookies. We're doing gingerbread cookies, and I'm also going to be baking my chocolate chip cookies and putting them in beautiful boxes and like nice ribbon for gifting for our neighbors and some for our friends. So that is what we're going to do today. So I'm going to first make the gingerbread cookies and put them in the fridge to chill, and then this afternoon we're going to cut them out and decorate. Chris has gone off to the grocery store to like do the crazy Christmas shop, I suppose. It is a few days before Christmas, and we're getting like really excited. I've been wrapping presents and making the house feel festive and beautiful, so I'm really enjoying it. Anyway, let's get into some baking.
Mason is chilling down there.
I have finished with the gingerbread cookies. They're in the fridge to rest. You need to let your dough rest to make it easier to cut the shapes out. So that's gonna go in. It's 12:30 now. We'll be doing it in the afternoon, so I've got time to clean up and start with my chocolate chip cookies to gift. So we're gonna do that. Yum. I have just finished baking and packaging up the cookies. So I put them in these little boxes and beautiful ribbons. So now they're ready to be gifted. Done enough for all like friends and our neighbors. So that is done, and I will end this video here. I'll see you guys in my next video. We're going to be baking some gingerbread cookies with the boys, so that should be super fun. Thanks guys for watching. Bye.